Tired of juggling multiple WhatsApp accounts and missing crucial customer interactions? Let's solve that problem right now by adding your WhatsApp number to Wati and unlocking a world of streamlined communication. First, head over to your Wati dashboard. You'll need to log in if you haven't already. Once you're inside, look for the Channels or WhatsApp section in the left-hand menu or at the top. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. You should now see a Connect WhatsApp button. Go ahead and click on that. Wati will then present you with a unique QR code to connect your registered WhatsApp business phone number. Now, grab your smartphone with the WhatsApp Business app installed. Open WhatsApp Business. Go to Link Devices and tap on Link a device. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your Wati screen. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp number will be automatically linked to Wati. You'll see a confirmation notification on both your Wati dashboard and your phone, indicating that the connection was successful. Congratulations! Your WhatsApp number is now integrated with Wati. You can start importing your contacts, setting up automated replies, and exploring Wati's powerful features to improve your business communications. Now that you understand how to add your WhatsApp number to Wati, you're ready to streamline your customer interactions and boost your business efficiency. Explore Wati's many features to optimize your communication strategy and boost your business performance. #WATI setup #WhatsApp Business.